Hi everyone. I hope you all are good after the max exam. Now you all are preparing for the IT. I hope so. Now the last topic of RDBMS, that is Unit 3, LibreOffice based forms and reports. Today we are going to see. Fast we will finish it, then tomorrow I'll post the other units or one by one. Okay, so revise it, do well, all the best. Let's start the class. Hmm. So first, what is form? What is report? So LibreOffice base provide the form feature for data entry purpose. So mainly for the data entry purpose, we are using the LibreOffice forms. And for what purpose we are using the report? For displaying the data. So the form is for data entry purpose and the report is we want to display the data in the form of report. For that purpose, we are using the forms and reports. So form is a database object with a user-friendly interface that allows the data entry and viewing in a visually attractive and accessible method. So the form it serves as a front end for entering and editing the data into any database. So instead of simply like entering the data, it is form. We can see that enter your name, the class, roll number, like that visually what we are entering, what we have to enter into that, all the details in the form itself we will identify. So it is serves as the front end for the data into any database. Then there are two ways to create a form. One is using the wizard, the other one is using the design view. So we can create that form using wizard as well as using the design view. Now, how we can create a form using the wizard, that let's see. So first thing, you have to open the database, then click the use wizard to create the form. So we want to create the form using the wizard. So use wizard to create the form. Then select the field, like for example, name, class, subject, mark, like that. Select the field of your form. Then decide if you want to set up a subform or what. So if you want to set a subform, you can click that checkbox. Otherwise, no need to check that. Then arrange the controls on your form, which way you want to arrange the layout you choose. Then select the data entry mode, apply style, set the name of the form. By default, if you didn't set the name for your form, what is your table name? From which table you are going to take the data? That name default automatically it will take for the form also. So you want to give a new name, you can give the new name. Then click finish. This is the way to create a form using the wizard. Now, after creating the form, we want to control the toolbar. So the toolbar contains various controls that can be added to the form. Then record toolbar. The record toolbar contains the navigation control like arrow keys, next, previous, at the end. So with that toolbars, you can control the record. So form control toolbar, it contains the controls can be added to the form. Then record toolbar, that is the navigation control buttons that presents in the extreme left side of the uh, screen. Then report. So we know we have seen the form now. The next one is report. So this is one of the best useful feature of the database management system. Using the report, we can present the data in an attractive and customized manner. Okay, then we can create the report based on the table or query or both. So we want to present our report in an attractive and in a customized manner. Then we are using the report. So this report we can produce in two ways, either using a table or using a query or both you can do. So if a report has to be generated from multiple table, a query should be created first, then the query can be used to generate the report. So single table means directly you can execute. If it is multi-table, first you have to write the query, then you have to generate the report. This is how report we are using. Then creating a report using a wizard. So the same way how we created a form, the same way we can use the wizard to create the report. First thing, for everything, you have to open the database, then you have to click the wizard to create the report, and which are all the fields you want to keep in your report. First select that field, then enter how do you want to label the field. It is not how you have named in the table the same way, you can change it. Suppose a roll number you have presented their R number, here you want to display that as a roll ROLLNUMBR, you can label that. Then add the grouping level of your report. So which are all the field you want to as separate, present as one group, and which should be come down. All that grouping levels you can do. Then you want to arrange any data in the order, like a sort option, using ascending order, descending order you want to keep. So all that you can do it. Then how you want your report to look, the appearance of the report, that you can specify that. Then describe how you want to proceed that report. Either you want to display it, or you want to save it, or for later you want to do all the queries, you want to keep it. All that you can describe how you want to proceed. Then click the finish button. This is the way to create the report using the wizard. And then here we are going to see the summary of the thing what we have seen today. All that summary we are going to see. Form is an object of a database that has a user-friendly interface where data can be entered and seen in an attractive and easy to read format. That is called a form. A form contains the field controls arranged in presentable and user-friendly manner. Each field control consists of a label and a field value text box. So that is the control of the form. You can keep what you want. You want the label or the text field or the button or the radio box, what you want. That the control. Then there are two ways are there to create the form, using a wizard or using a design view. Then the form control toolbar contains various tools to add, edit the controls on the form. Then the last is the report. It is used to present the retrieved data in an attractive and customized manner. We can create a report based on a table or a query or both. So this is what the last topic, forms and reports. I hope it is clear. So once you studied this unit 3, and then keep on moving to the next unit anyhow. If you have any doubt, you just ask me. I'll clear your doubt. In the coming class, we will see the next unit. Okay. All the best. Good luck.